morning, welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Thursday, January 12, 2017. If you want to follow us on Twitter, please go to CATEX TV. A programming note, we will not be broadcasting tomorrow or next week. The next broadcast will be Monday, January 23rd. By Monday, January 23rd, President Trump will actually have been sworn in. Yesterday's news conference was rather combative and chaotic. The economy had been waiting for some specifics on some of his economic plans. They were not forthcoming. As a result, the U.S. dollar slid on overseas markets, trading to a lower value. Meanwhile, in China, a vice chairman for the People's Insurance Company of China has been arrested by the police. News outlets are saying that Wang Yancheng has been arrested and detained for party disciplinary problems. The news of the arrest came amid a clampdown by regulators on the Chinese insurance industry, with officials seeking to restrict non-insurance investments and monitor more closely ownership of insurers after what officials saw as speculative trading. Also in China, insurers there recorded premium income of about $449 billion in 2016. This is a 30% increase from what they collected the previous year. Federal prosecutors in the United States announced criminal charges yesterday against 6 Volkswagen executives for their roles in the company's emission cheating scandal. 6 executives include the former head of development of the VW brand and the head of engine development. One of those charged Wednesday was Oliver Schmidt, who was arrested in Florida over the weekend. The other 5 are believed to be in Germany. According to the U.S. Attorney General Loretta Lynch, Volkswagen knew of these problems when regulators expressed concern. Volkswagen obfuscated, and they ultimately lied. VW is set to pay $4.3 billion in criminal and civil penalties in connection with the federal investigation. Right now in London, Heathrow Airport is canceling dozens of flights amid forecasts of snow and strong winds in Britain. Heathrow is Europe's busiest airport. It has about 1,350 flights scheduled for today that have been canceled preemptively. Britain's forecasters have issued warnings for snow across much of the country up until Saturday. Right now in London, apparently it is heavy rain. 26 North Korean sailors are in Japanese custody after being pulled off a sinking cargo ship off the Japanese coast late today. Japanese Coast Guard went to the rescue after receiving a distress signal from the ship, which was about 38 miles southwest of the Goto Islands. The ship was the Chongen, Gen, 6,600-ton cargo ship, which had 5,000 tons of rice from the Nampo port on North Korea's west coast to the Wangsan port on the east coast of North Korea. The ship sank. The first of 100 Airbus planes that Iran is expected to receive after its historic nuclear deal with the West has now landed in Tehran. The brand new A321 jet touched down at Tehran's Mehrabad International Airport on a flight from Airbus's headquarters in Toulouse, France. This is the first of 100 planes purchased under a December deal that's going to be worth $18 billion. And here's a troubling situation. There are plans to build a tunnel underneath the Stonehenge international site, which is on the World Preservation Site by the government. There are plans that the building of the tunnel under the site will reduce congestion on the A303 highway. They're going to spend about $2 billion, the government is, building a 7-mile single carriageway stretch of the A303 near Stonehenge, including a 2-kilometer long tunnel that's going to run right under the World Heritage Site. This has been backed by the government because it will ultimately reduce traffic pollution and noise for those visiting the landmark. However, as you can well imagine, conservationists are concerned as to what the effect on the ancient monoliths will be, with heavy truck traffic and car traffic rumbling just a couple of dozen feet underneath it. So undoubtedly, this issue is not the last that you will hear. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the 23rd of January.